gonna be all good.
What do you?
Oh yeah, that's nothing. Is it lighting itself?
Oh, it's not. Yeah. Oh, the stuff is.
Yeah, Tommy.
Dance, boy, dance.
Dance.
Spin, Tommy.
Oh, you know what? Let it
How's that feel on your head, Tommy?
Tommy, how hot is it?
You're good, Tommy.
Can you hear people, Tommy?
Solid.
Yeah, I feel all right.
Can you hear people?
This is nothing like that
Mirror.
beers last year.
You know what? Yeah.
Tommy, can you hear people?
Yeah.
Are you warm? You're. Oh, okay.
Is he smoking?
Yeah, you're smoking.
He is smoking. That's
Yeah, but I
not
don't
good.
care.
What? Yeah, but
That's all you, Tommy. Yeah, but you look hot.
You know, and that's what I envision is you guys holding on to them. So wear really good gloves and that kind of thing, so you can hold on to them. Because I would hate to have it
No, I
falling
think
off.
With this thing spinning, you couldn't just not hang on.
That's a good push.
If it's windy, it might be a little different story though. But
We should just do it the way it is.
Just the edges.
I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tommy, we're
Oh my God, it's so good.
a little bit to show off the propellers.
oh, okay, like that.
Yep.
yeah,
All
that's
right.
really pretty.
Just here and there, though, I think.
That's what we were thinking.
Perfect.
So we want to be kind of bent over.
Yep.
All right.
We like you bent over, Tommy.
Only for you. Hey, that's supposed to be a secret.
Someone,
Oh.
I want to know
Do we
the
want it to go out so quick?
burn time.
I got it. We're at 150.
Yeah, tape.
Okay.
2-minute burn time. Perfect.
That's not bad at all.
No, 2 minutes right there. Yay! Let's hear it for Tommy and the boulders and the everywhere.